Okay guys, welcome to my video how to make $2,700 in 20 days to your PayPal account for free. I will make with this system $5,000 every single month, and I think you can do it too. It's free system, everyone can do it, and I will show you exactly how you can set up this program and earn this money to your PayPal account every single month for free. Okay, so let's set up everything. Below this video, guys, you can find this link. Okay, all you have to do, guys, is put your email address here, your PayPal email address. So let's do it. Okay, I will show you with my email. So I will put my email here. Okay, this is my PayPal email address. Now all you have to do is take all the link and put in your browser. Okay, and you will get this landing page, and you can see my email is here, my PayPal email address. If you put your email, you will see your email here. Okay, so let me explain something. If you want to earn money online, you need a product and you need a website or landing page. So now you have your landing page, okay, and you have your product. Okay, so when someone click here and go to PayPal and buy this system, you will get a commission. Okay, so right now we have our link. Okay, so first let's short this link. Okay, let's copy and go to Google short link and put the link here and click short. Copy here, copy and click done. Now our link is this link. Okay, this is our shorten link, and all we have to do right now is get traffic to this link. Okay, so how to get free traffic to this link? You can use social media like Facebook. You can join groups on Facebook, make money groups, and share your link. You can join Twitter for free, and you can share your link and earn money. Okay, you can make videos, explainer videos like what I am doing right now, and upload videos to YouTube and put your link below every video you upload to YouTube. Now look, if you are a full-time internet marketer, and maybe you don't have a time to share your link on Facebook or Twitter, okay, so you can buy traffic and get traffic to this link, okay? But you need a massive traffic to get to this link. I will show you exactly how to get traffic to this link, very cheap traffic to this link. So let's go. I will show you two websites, okay? Okay, website number one is Turbo Website Traffic. Like you know, there's already people who's advertise their website on this traffic website, okay? This is a rotator website. Every time you click here, you will see a different product, okay? If you click the logo of this website, you can see a different product. So how to advertise your link with this website? All you have to do, copy your link, copy, and go here. You can see advertising, okay? Click advertising, and you can see here, you can click, put your name, your email, and put your URL, your shortened URL on this video. And look at this, you can choose your package. You can get 20,000 visitors to your link, only 12.94 cents. I think it's so cheap traffic that you can get to your link. And very important to read the terms of this website. You can click and read the terms of this website, and click here the inbox and click order, okay? Before you click buy now, check if everything is well. Check your package, your link, your email, and your name, okay? This is website number one, that you can get a massive traffic to your website. Website traffic number two, you can go to traficcashlist.com. With this website, guys, you can get unlimited traffic. You can go here, you can see 13,000 visitors, only $18. It's a very cheap traffic, okay? If you want to use this website, please read their terms. You can't advertise everything. Basically, you can advertise everything, okay? But they don't accept every link with this website, okay? You can go here to unlimited website traffic, and you can get unlimited traffic with these packages. Go to bulk traffic, you can get here 200,000 visitors, only 39.60 cents. Okay, this is very cheap and very good website traffic. Okay, the point with this system, guys, is to make money for free. So if you can advertise your link on Facebook, YouTube, and free traffic to get free money, it's better. But like I said, if you don't have a time for this, you can go to a turbo website, Trafic or Trafic Cash list.com, and get your massive traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please just comment below this video. Thank you again, and good luck.